World Environment Day is a special event to celebrate our shared environment. So what is World Environment Day? Why is it a special event in 2024? And what is its theme? Let's take a look. Welcome to EMSmastery, where we look at the successful strategies and tactics to master environmental management and sustainability. This episode looks at the celebration of the United Nations World Environment Day 2024 and helps to explain what is World Environment Day and what is the theme for 2024. World Environment Day is the United Nations special flagship day for promoting worldwide awareness and action for the environment. Over the years, it has grown to be the largest global platform for environmental public outreach and is celebrated by millions of people across the world. World Environment Day was first established in 1972 and was first celebrated in 1974 and takes place every year on the 5th of June. Each year, World Environment Day is hosted by a different country in which official celebrations take place. The host country for 2024 is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. If you're getting value out of this episode, please click on the like button, and if you want to see more environmental and sustainability videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. The theme for World Environment Day 2024 is to focus on land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. As a nation facing degradation, desertification and drought, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is deeply invested in delivering solutions. The Kingdom is acting both nationally and regionally through the Saudi Green Initiative and the Middle East Green Initiative. According to the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, up to 40% of the planet's land is degraded, typically affecting half of the world's population and threatening roughly half of the global GDP, assessed as $44 trillion. The number and duration of droughts has increased by 29% since 2000. Without urgent action, droughts may affect over 3/4 of the world's population by 2050. Land restoration is a key pillar of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, running from 2021 to 2030. It's a rallying call for the protection and revival of ecosystems all across the world, which is critical to achieve the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. The year 2024 will mark the 30th anniversary of the UN Convention to Combat Desertification. The 16th session of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification will be held in the Saudi capital Riyadh from the 2nd to 13th of December 2024. Further information on this year's World Environment Day and all of the highlighted resources given in this video can be found in the description box below, including a link to the resources on the EMSmastery.com website. If this episode has helped to advance your understanding of the United Nations World Environment Day, especially this year's event and its theme of land restoration, desertification and drought resilience, leave a comment in the box below if this video has helped you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to ensure that you don't miss out on other episodes on environmental management and sustainability. Until then, thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this video, you can watch other episodes by clicking on the boxes in the top and bottom right, and to subscribe to this channel, click on the link to the left. Thank you.